Now, today I'll show you how to extend the RAM 8GB plus 8GB in total 16GB in this phone. Hello dear viewers, look like the phone in my hand. This phone is Vivo Y36. Now, today I'll show you how to enable extended RAM in Vivo Y36 phone. And I will also show today how to increase RAM 8GB plus 8GB RAM extra added in Vivo Y36 phone. If you want to enable your phone extended RAM, at first you find settings option. When find settings option, then you have to click on its settings. When you click on its settings, it will be presented with many options from here. Then scroll down, you will see an option called search icon. Then you have to click on its search icon. When you click on its search icon, you need to write the search box RAM EXT and DEND extended or RAM extended. You see an option extended RAM. Then you have to click on it. When you click on it, you will see an option extended RAM. If you want to increase your phone RAM 8GB, you just turn it on this option, and wait few seconds, you will see an option restart now option. Wait 5 seconds, then you have to click on it restart now. Wait few seconds, your phone is turned off and turned on. When your phone is turned on, your phone RAM increase in 8GB. This phone RAM is main basic RAM is 8GB and extended RAM added 8GB. Total RAM is 16GB. So again go settings and scroll down, go about phone. When you go about phone, you can see your phone RAM 8GB plus 8GB RAM added in Vivo Y36 phone. So viewers, finally